trajo el chile, no te lo trajo. Ahorita le digo.
Well, one of you guys stay in line.
But what do you think?
But tastes good to me. Next up is rice. In China and Japan. It tastes good. The next one is this. Well, it's healthy for you. Kind of reminds me from America.
Excuse me.
Next one is in this.
¿Dónde?
Sí.
Oh.
¿Te acuerdas?
No, cada quien agarró uno. You guys need a straw? Straw, Jenny?
It's not actually bad. And second one is this. What's the name of this?
Spicy pork.
Spicy pork. It's not actually bad. Second one is this.
Ya ni vino.
No. Hace falta maíz.
¿Ah?
Hace falta maíz.
¿Chile? A ver.
That's one. Yo nomás porque no sé qué.
Ahí andan.
If you don't know my name's Alfredo Corona.
Follow me for more videos.
Follow for me more videos.
They're coming.
¿No gustó?
Sí, sí, what
Ahí viene.
What do you want?
So bye guys.